Alright guys, let's look at question 3 now. So we have a diagram showing the composition of planet Saturn. And the question asks, describe Saturn's atmosphere. How does it differ from Earth's atmosphere? Give two differences. Okay, so this diagram tells you Saturn. You have to basically remember Earth's atmosphere, right? In general, what kind of substance, what kind of gases do we have? What is the composition? Generally we have about 78% of nitrogen, 20% or thereabouts of 20 to 21% of oxygen. All right, and then you have all the rare and noble gases. Okay, all those other gases are like very small percentage. Okay, so we're gonna compare that with the diagram here for Saturn. So for Saturn, you have how many percent? You have 75% hydrogen. We don't really have hydrogen on Earth because, as you know, it's very combustible. If we have hydrogen in our atmosphere, basically it will combust and it will just kaboom, explosion. Okay, so that is our first point. You can talk about the hydrogen. Obviously you can also talk about the helium. Helium, they have like about 25%. Okay, so for Earth, right, we have like less than 1% thereabouts for helium, and that's basically it. The rest you can also compare nitrogen, and you can also compare oxygen as well, since this knowledge you should have, right? Okay, so let's look on at part B. Using the information from this table, suggest why layer of liquid hydrogen in Saturn floats on top of liquid helium. Okay, why does it float? You just need to look at your density, right? Density, helium is more dense than your hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen will go on top. Okay, so whenever you have liquids, the one that is less dense will float on top. Second question, what is the physical state of hydrogen at 250? Okay, so hydrogen at 250, by negative 259, it would have already melted. And if you increase the temperature furthermore 6 degree higher, it will change from liquid to gaseous. Okay, so just to clarify, right, at this point it is a solid. Okay, after heating past the melting point, it will become a liquid, and after heating past the boiling point, it will become a gaseous. Okay, so since negative 250, right, it is above negative 250 is above negative 253, so it should be a gaseous physical state.